Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect CoinMarketCap to Binance in 2025. Whether you're tracking your investments or analyzing market trends, this integration can make your life a lot easier. Let's jump right in. First off, a quick refresher. CoinMarketCap is your go-to platform for real-time cryptocurrency data, prices, and rankings. Binance, on the other hand, is one of the largest crypto exchanges where you buy, sell, and trade assets. Connecting the two allows you to sync your Binance portfolio directly to CoinMarketCap for seamless tracking. Step 1. Start by logging into your Binance account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for security. Once you're in, head over to the API section, usually found in the Settings or Profile menu. Here, you'll need to create a new API key. Give it a name like CoinMarketCap Integration, and select the necessary permissions, typically, read-only access for your portfolio data. Step 2. After generating the API key, you'll get a key and a secret. Keep these safe and don't share them. Now, switch over to your CoinMarketCap account. Go to the Settings or Integrations page. Look for the option to connect an exchange. Step 3. Select Binance from the list of available exchanges. You'll be prompted to enter your API key and secret. Double-check for any typos, then hit Submit. CoinMarketCap will verify the connection, which might take a minute or two. Step 4. Once connected, you should see your Binance portfolio reflected in CoinMarketCap. Test it out by checking your holdings or watching price updates. If you run into issues, like connection errors, make sure your API permissions are correct or try clearing your browser cache. And there you have it. That's how you connect CoinMarketCap to Binance in 2025. This setup will save you time and keep you informed. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.